Hello folks, Fat Guy Flies RC here. We're out here at the Avon Park Field. We're going to take up the F-22 Raptor. Just flew it the other day, so I feel good about range test. Running her in mid rates right now.
High rate, low rate.
Go back to low rates. Let me get out on the other side of the runway where I'm more comfortable. A little high, I know.
Time remaining 2 minutes.
Sweet flying plane, that's for sure. That was an unintentional bounce and go. I was reaching for the imaginary rudder that I don't have.
1 minute.
All right, little grass break there. Let's go to
Low rate.
high rates. I think I like high rates better.
10.
All right. Now we only got 10 seconds left, so I'm not going to push it.
9. 8.
Great ground handling though.
6. 5.
All right, let's take her back to the bench. And let's see what you want to hear before you touch a plane.
Motor on.
Motor off. Okay, so let's go back and check the temperature. See how hot, since I pushed it for an extra 20 seconds. Let's see how hot that ESC shouldn't be hot at all, not given the fact that it's underneath and it has its own dedicated cooling. I doubt it's hot. Nah. 89 degrees. So that's not bad at all. So let's check our battery life, see how much juice we have left. If I didn't bring my checkers in my box. Okay, bear with me, folks. 33%. All right, my one audience member here. All right, folks, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and God bless y'all.